Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about program output as an argument. The shell allows the standard output of one command to be used as an argument of another command. That means here we are going to pass the output of one command as input of another command. The shell executes the command enclosed within a backquotes and replaces the command with standard output. So this is called command substitution. Okay, so already we discussed about command substitution in our previous classes. So what is a command substitution means? For example, I want to print the date. So how I can print the date? I give command date. Now I want to print like this. So today date is. Okay, so then how I can print? Echo today date is, and backquotes I am going to give date. Now the output of this command date is input to this command echo. Now it prints today date is. So what is the output of date? For example, it prints the Sunday something. Now it prints the today date is date. Okay, so now we see the syntax. So what is the syntax? In backquotes you are going to give the command. In backquotes, not in the single quotation. In backquotes you are going to give the command. So we see the example. So command substitution, echo today date is, in backquotes I am going to give the date. That means first this date will be executed. For example, so for this we get the output Sunday 18 September something. Okay, we see the exact output in our execution session. Now it prints today date is Sunday 18 September time. Okay, another example is command substitution to generate useful messages. So how we can generate the messages? For example, I want to know who are currently logged in system. So how I can know? So by using who command. By using who command I know so who are currently logged in. So how I can know what is the number? How I can know means, so by using word count command. So word count command WC sends lines, words and bytes. In this I want only the line. How I can write the command who? We get some output that is redirecting. That means by using the pipe we are going to give to word count. In this word count I am going to represent only the lines. Okay, so if the number of lines is 10, so 10 people are logged in. If the number of lines is 8, 8 members are logged in. That's it. Now how I can write that command? Currently users working on the systems are. In backquotes I am going to give the command who pipe WC hyphen L. Now it prints the number. So for example 8 members means it prints current users working on the system are 8. Okay, now you can see another example, command substitution in shell scripts. So that means we are going to write the script now. So cat redirection sample.sh, this is your script name. In this script I am going to write, so echo number of users logged on to the system are, so who pipe WC hyphen L. That means it gives the who are logged in, so how many members. That means for example let us assume 8. It returns the number of lines in the who command, and after that I write another command, the present working directory is pwd. Okay, so now how I can execute this? I execute this instruction like this, sh space, so what is the program name? Sample.sh, sample.sh. Now so what it prints? The number of users logged onto the system are, if it is 8, it prints 8 number. After that the present working directory is, my present working directory is home Varada directory, it prints the working directory name here. Okay, so in this way you are going to use program output as a argument. Program output is nothing but, here the date is a program, that output is used as a argument. In this next example also, so this is the program, so who pipe wc-l, the output of this program used as argument to this echo. Okay, I hope you all are understand how you can use output of one command as input to another command. So now we see so program output as argument. For that we can see the command substitution, echo today date is, in back quotes I am going to give date. Okay, so today date is Sunday 13 September 2020. Okay, now we can see command substitution to generate useful messages. For example, echo current users working on the system are, single quotation I give who, and I am using the piping wc-l. I want to know the number of users, means number of lines. Okay, back code, sorry, here we are using back code, double quotation, that's it. The current users working on the system are 1. Okay, currently I am only the using, so it prints 1. Now we see command substitution in shell script. I am creating one shell script, cat sample.sh. In this I am going to define echo the same statement I am copying, and after that I am going to print current working directory is, in back code I am going to give another command pwd, present working directory, control D. Okay, now I can execute sh sample.sh. It returns the output, current users working on the system are 1, current working directory is #home or the desktop. Okay, in this way we are going to give one program output to another program as argument.